Hello guys, welcome to my channel Timepiece Talk. Today we are going to unbox HMT skeleton. So as the name suggests, it's a skeleton watch in which the movement will be visible. It is newly listed on the HMT website a few days back. It comes in two colorways, maroon and white. So I have here the maroon color. The watch comes in this big wooden box, which is standard with HMT's high-end automatic watches. It has a bill inside with all the warranty details. Standard 1-year warranty comes with this. So dial has this beautiful maroon color with this skeleton look. So it's an automatic movement, as you can see from the front and also from the back. So it has 44 mm case width, 52 mm case length and around 12 mm case thickness. It has all stainless steel construction, having a exhibition case back. It comes with leather strap of 22 mm lug width. Model number and the buying link is available in the description. Do check out HMT website from time to time for buying this watch. Thank you.